Okay everyone, this is going to be the third video of what you see of this car right here with the body swap in progress. Now in this video update, we're going to be showing you some of the things on cutting out some of the rust on the other side and this rear section, addressing that back section, the trunk drop-offs, where the rear bumper is going to be mounted up and where it's going to be mounting up to the back of the quarters and the taillight panel. And none of this right here is staying on the car. All this coupe stuff is coming off. But before cutting it off, everything is in place where it needs to be so that whenever everything gets cut off, the new quarters go on, it'll all line up exactly where it needs to be. So let's go ahead and show you the progress. We're going to pause this video just to show you a sneak peek of what's coming up in the next video that's going to be uploaded. Our 2018 Ford F-150 that we've done behind us as a co-part build, Wolf Box, they're going to be sponsoring us some 3 products that we're going to be putting on the truck. Some power electric running boards, a power bed cover, and a step for the bumper. So that's going to be in a future video. So stay tuned for that and hit that subscribe button. Let's go ahead and get back to the video. Okay, first off, before I address the back, let's go to the front here. You notice all this right here, the wheels been ground down, they're in primer, and just like I'd mentioned on the inside, there's that little boxed in square piece of tubing on that inside. One down here and one right up there where the hinges are, so there's no flex. And on the other side, that's finished as well. So let's go around there and check that out. So now you can see this side right here is complete, where before none of this right here was done. So just a little more grinding and getting the primer on that one. And going to the inside, still not finished all the way, but the square tubing's welded in place where the hinges are going to go, so that will support it, so there's no flex right here, and of course the other side there. Now going right here, this right here had some rust in it, so this rear section of the rocker's been cut out and replaced. All this bottom section is going to be cut out and replaced as well, but for the main updated video, it's off to the back section. Now the quarters, roof skin, all this is going to be cut off. But before cutting it off, all this right here, it's all built and in place so that whenever the new quarters go on, you can guarantee it's going to line up with the way the original body sat. Here you see the mounts for the bumper and square tubing, and going up underneath, these right here, 16 gauge drop-offs. It's welded all on the bottom section of this cut here, all on the bottom there, and another 16 gauge piece. And this piece here that's welded to the bottom of the floor, rolled down for this taillight panel to mount. Now going on the inside, you'll see just some red oxidized primer and started to shoot some undercoating on there, but as you can see, we didn't have enough in the can. But trunk drop off runs along the top of this and then folds straight down to where that new quarter is going to be mounted and welded all along through there. And all this crap here is coming off along with that taillight panel because it's going to have the Shelby panel. And on the other side as well. And this right here is square tubing that runs along the back. So this whole piece right here is square tubing. So you've got that support that runs along the back of the floor pan that keeps it from this right here flexing your way. And then this is a piece of 16 gauge right here that goes from the bottom of the floor and then is bent down all the way across this right here, bent down, and then right there where it connects under the floor here for your frame rail, welded right there with a plate with that square tubing to where that bumper goes. This is pushing directly into that factory rear frame rail, so that right there is going to be like a factory support for the rear bumper on both sides. And the reason, again, for doing that and having all that done is as soon as all this is cut off, once you put the new quarter panels on, you'll know exactly where they're going to line up and know that they don't need to be raised up, down. Everything's going to be level across this right here. So it'll be all finished in for the back. Basically, you just put that taillight panel straight up in the back, screw it in, and leave it in place and then start running your quarters. But that's an update for the back section of the car. This side right here, of course, I'm going to have to get another patch cut. Everything is going to have to be made as well. But here we have it. But all that's got to get cut out. And since this is a 4K video, I'll show you a little bit more of the front. You can get a little more detail on the screen with how all this right here is plated in. And this is moved 7 inches up using that where the original K-member was, just moving it up to that second hole and then making your new hole and running your shock tires further forward. Of course, all this right here, what you see under here, everything that's over here on these aprons, all this, and everything over here, all that you see right here will mount directly into place on that car, so it'll all run like factory. And then there's the 16 gauge. There's the upper and lower cowl panel that's going to be used to modify this upper cowl right here. And of course change the wiper motor where it's mounted. Okay, so that's it for this progress of the week's work on what's been done to the body swap on the 67, 68 Ford Mustang to the sn95 platform. Now this sn95 platform is basically like the 94 to 2004 Ford Mustang. It's pretty much the exact same as 94 to 04. So this right here is pretty much basically that kind of swap. So thanks for watching. Hit that notification bell, and as soon as the video is uploaded, you'll be the first to get it. And if you're watching this video, hit that subscribe button. Greatly appreciated here at the channel, and go in and check out some other videos. But until then, I'll see you on the next video.